Good morning, Appa Yanakal. Looking very good, very We are now waiting for breakfast, and then the plan is I'll try and see if we get a reasonable price for custom stitching, and she will go for a hair spa. So after breakfast, we'll see you. Now we are just half awake. Get some energy and come back to you. See you later. Alligator. Guys, we ordered for iced coffee. So we got ice coffee. Guys, we always decide to start our day early in the morning, but we're just bad with time management. It is, what time is it?
It's the time to vlog.
Disco. It's 1:44 p.m. afternoon. Half of the day has passed, but the plan is I'm going to get custom dress stitch. Yes, I forgot the words, but I'll see only if it's reasonable. And Shaurya here is going for a hair spa because she's very bored to style her own hair. So that's the plan. We'll then meet at a balmy place which we were supposed to go last night, but it was closed. And then from there we'll see what to do. We'll see you at the tailor shop. See you! We've come to this shop to buy something, but there's absolutely nobody, so we don't know what to do with this. Do we just take it home? So we did find a tailor, but more on that in a separate video. We just gave our measurements and got done, and then now it's what, 3:30, but she'll give it to us by tomorrow 1 p.m. Now we're going to have balmy. Yeah. Where?
Somewhere.
Now we are going to that balmy place which we couldn't go yesterday, but Shauri is having fried rice on her own, so it's only the two of us. And let's go, it's here. Finally picked our bami from that place called Bami Phuong, and we picked the chicken and cheese, so there's a lot of cheese piece here. And then let me take picture for the gram and then I'll eat it.
Apologies for all the mispronunciations.
Yeah, sorry. Don't litter, guys. Always use the dustbin. After walking for 20 minutes, we find one dustbin.
How is it?
Very nice.
You liked it?
The bread is really soft in the middle and it's crunchy in the outside, and the chicken also has a lot of flavors. The vegetables are really fresh, I think. This is worth the hype. Not that we've tried a lot, but this is really tasty. And this Vietnamese Toppy girl wants to give her review. What do you think?
It's super yum. But I feel like the chicken pieces should have been a little warm or super cold.
As if she is one big cart owner. It's really nice, guys. Just have it.
Rồi nè, rồi cứ lại cứ ngồi đi, không sao đâu.
There and here, so anyone please. This is the boating places where you can take it from. Who is the scientist who is parked? Third, I like your confidence. Whoa. Once more. Come on, you people. Guys, y'all can trust us with anything but not with timing. We were just chilling and relaxing at home and then we realized it is
8:15.
and the boat closes at 9. We were free from 6:30, but then we were just having a good time and now it's 8:15, so we're now running towards the boat ride. We'll take you along.
See you.
I don't know who that is, but we'll
See you soon, baboon.
I don't know if you can see us or no. Let me put some torch.
I want to go from there.
But we are walking towards there are two entry points. One is that end from the bridge, the other is towards the end of the bridge, and you can walk from the market area where we shopped that time. So now we are going there. I don't know where they are going. My sisters are going, so I'm following them. Don't slip now, it's watery. This is our boat. Ching 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 ching. Where is the pilot? He's there. Under the moonlight, talking to the moon. प्यार की कश्ती में चले हम जोर जोर से.
Video.
Yeah.
हाँ वो दे रहे.
दीदी.
All in all, it was a 20 minutes boat ride. 15 to 20 minutes boat ride, and it's quite peaceful. The other side is the busier side. We went to the left side, which is the quieter side. We're almost done with our ride, and we'll tell you we did bargain a little from 300. He said 300, which is 100 per head, but we brought it to 210. I think we would still reduce it, but then we went to 210,000 per person. No, total, which is 70,000 per person. And I think, yeah, 70,000 now. And yeah, Vietnamese dong. And it was, I think it was worth it. What do you think? It comes with the lantern, by the way. What do you think? Lantern da baga. Guys, we've come for moving like a snake. We've come for dinner. We have a nice virgin colada.
It's like Eiffel Tower of Vietnam.
Lime juice. And then we have peach tea with spring onions. Spring onions. If you want to explore food, don't explore with her, explore with us. Cheers, guys.
To the shop, guys.
Yeah.
Come to Vietnam and come to my mother's shop.
Shop number
Dubai shop, so beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful.
Very good.
What's the shop number or name?
34. And if her friend, I can discount.
Ah. So come here, you'll get a discount.
Come to Vietnam, come to Hội An, Vietnam to give a best price. Chào cà đi cá. Chào đi papa.
Jadi
with that one. Sun, 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 sun.
Like, share, subscribe.